Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture here back to my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video I am doing a unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside of this little bag, then keep on watching. Okay, so welcome back. What I'm just gonna do right now is just cut this box open. Just I guess like I usually do. A little backstory on this plant. This was a Facebook selling purchase. So yeah, and it took about 2 days to get to me from Cali. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. So my plant is wrapped up beautifully in toilet paper. That TP life. Can you see as I'm unraveling this wonderful plant? You still might not know what I'm talking about. Da, 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 da. It's a Hoya Kerrii. So yeah, so as you guys can see, this is a beautiful Hoya Kerrii. A little bit of brown spotting, but that's alright. That's from like overwatering. But yeah, guys, so I got myself a Hoya Kerrii. This has 2, 4, 5 little petioles, petals, whatever you want to call it. These are so pretty, such heart shapes. I am so excited. So what I'm gonna actually just do is pot this bad boy, and I'm not even sure, do I have pots for this? So yeah, I'm gonna try and find a pot for this. And yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, this unboxing of my new Hoya Kerrii. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it. Subscribe if you want already. Join this little kooky family because we're pretty awesome here. And comment down below, let me know, do you have any Hoyas of your own? If you don't, what are your wishlist Hoyas? And since this is my first time with a Kerrii, do you have any care recommendations, care tips? Because I'm always open to any advice from my fellow cookie fam, my fellow plant lovers. So yeah, guys, thank you again, and I'll see you on the next one.